Hello students, welcome to science class. See, in previous video we have started lesson number 5, acid, bases and salt. It means our lesson number 5 is going on. So now in previous video we have learned about acids, bases, and after that this one about natural indicators like litmus paper, turmeric, then China rose indicator. This all about we had to learn now, and litmus paper demonstration also we have seen. So now today we'll learn that next topic of the lesson, that is neutralization. So here neutralization, see, we have learned that acid turns blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper blue. But here one question is that what happen when acid mix with the base? So what happen when acid mix with the base? So this one will learn about. So in previous video I told you about some natural indicators. Now here I am telling you some more indicators. It means we can say that laboratory thermometers. Laboratory thermometers are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. But here I am telling you about phenolphthalein only. It means that here one more indicator we are going to use, and it is called phenolphthalein. So here activity 5. See, I will show you by demonstrating this. Just I am explaining this activity. First take one test tube. Now fill this test tube with hydrochloric acid. After that note down its color. It means it is the colorless only. After that add some 4 or 5 drops of phenolphthalein into it. Shake well the test tube. After that observe its color. It means that phenolphthalein with acid with phenolphthalein. Again it is colorless only. It means that phenolphthalein give no color with the acid. After that add to acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. Stir the tube gently. Is there any change in the color of the solution? Now continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop by stirring till the pink color just appears. Or you can do take sodium hydroxide and put some drop of phenolphthalein in it, so it will turn pink in color. It means that phenolphthalein gives pink color with the base. Now mix hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. It means acid plus base. So when an acidic solution is mixed with the basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. It means when the acid solution and the base solution are mixed, so it means that it means both the acidic nature of the acid and basic nature of the base are destroyed. So the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Again, once again I am telling you that when you mix with acid with base, what happen? That acidic nature of the acid and basic nature of the bases will destroyed, and now resulting solution is neither acid nor basic. It means it is the neutral solution. So this process is called neutralization process. After completing this process, touch the test tube. So you observe that somewhat heat. It means in neutralization reaction heat is always produced. It means that a process raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. So in neutralization reaction a new substance is formed, and this is called salt. So salt may be acidic, basic or neutral. So what is the neutralization process? The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process. It means when you add acid with base, both the nature, it means acidic nature of the acid and basic nature of the base will destroyed and the resulting solution is neutral. It means neither acidic nor basic. So the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. So what is the equation for that? Acid plus base gives salt plus water. It means and with example, if you want to write, so you can write like that: HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. It means hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives NaCl. It means sodium chloride, common salt, plus water. So this is the process of neutralization. Now student, that neutralization process, now see this demonstration I am showing you.
Neutralization reaction. And here we use one more indicator. This is phenolphthalein. So we have learned that acid turns blue litmus red and base turns.
See that, boys, I told you, no, here that laboratory indicators about phenolphthalein I told you. Yes or no? So activity 5.5, I am see that, see activity, this is activity 5.5.
So let's see what happened when acid mixes with the base. So here we are going to use new indicator, that is phenolphthalein.